Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Glock19X. First thing you want to do when you come up to any firearm is clear it. Remove that source of ammunition, and then lock the slide to the rear. From here, physically and visually inspect your chamber, inspect your magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. From here, pressing your trigger, pushing it into the rearward position. Now using an overhand grip, you want to clench your fist and pull that slide to the rear 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters. Now this will allow you to pull down on your slide locks. Your slide locks are located on both sides of the frame. Clench your fist, pull that slide in the barrel 1/8 of an inch to the rear, and simultaneously pull down on your slide locks. Once you pull down on your slide locks, push your slide forward. Your slide will come right off. Now your firearm is broken down into two separate components. From here, I'm going to remove the recoil spring assembly. I'm going to remove the barrel, push forward, and pull it towards yourself. Now your firearm has been completely disassembled, otherwise known as field stripped. Now to reassemble it, we're just going to do that in the reverse order. Grab your slide and your barrel. Place your barrel in the slide and lock it to the rear. Check alignment. Pick up your recoil spring assembly and place it right on top of your barrel. Using your thumb, you're going to apply it forward and downwards pressure, locking it into the second crescent moon of the barrel lug. Just like so. And then recheck alignment. Pick up your frame. Align your slide with your guide rails. Gently slide it back onto the frame. From here, rack it to the rear. Now we're going to perform a functions check. Press your trigger in and hold it to the rear. While holding your trigger to the rear, rack your slide a second time. Slowly release the trigger, listening for the reset. Alright, your firearm just passed the functions check and has been completely reassembled. Thank you.